Hi Aries, welcome to your weekly reading from November 23rd to November 29th. I'm going to start by pulling your angel romance cards to see how you feel about your person. Finances and career, how do you feel about your person? Finances and career. Sorry, start again. Let me shuffle. How does Aries person feel about their person? Thank you. All right, chemistry in the reverse position. Chemistry. And we have finances and career. All right, so for your person, how does Aries person feel about them? Wow. Past life relationship in the upright position. And we have separation in the upright position. Okay, let's take a look at what's going on here. Thank you. All right, I need the energy for how Aries feels about their person. Sorry, Aries. All right, while I'm doing this, let me explain something. I am a psychic and a medium. I don't read tarot from learning it in a book. I read it because I have been a gifted psychic and a medium since I was a child. So I can read tarot in the traditional way, but I am not book learned. I am a psychic and a medium. So when you hear me talking to myself, I'm not talking to the voices in my head. I am talking to the spirit world. Okay. All right. I need energy for how Aries feels about their person. Wow. Okay. So we've got a Seven of Pentacles in reverse. We've got the Ace of Wands in reverse. We've got the Two of Cups in the upright position. How does Aries person feel about them? Ten of Cups. Eight of Wands in the upright position. One more. Thank you. Okay, Aries. So what's going on here is, like, it looks like there's a situation where one of you is having to consider a move for a job or school or something like that. Finances is on the horizon, and it's causing some disruption in your dynamic. You know, I feel like where you were going along and there was chemistry in this relationship, it's now being kind of, this heaviness is come forward because of money. It looks like one of you or both of you, so if you're dating, one of you is in a financial situation where you may have lost a job, you may have your career may be under threat, you know, and this is where I feel like a kind of a move or going back to school or something like that, which means a feeling of kind of separation and the need, and we have separation right here in the upright position for your person, right? So I feel like something to do with finances and career is causing you guys to have to contemplate separation. Aries, I gotta admit, I feel like you don't want to talk about it. I feel like you're very angry about the situation. You're not angry at your person. It doesn't feel like that anyway. It feels like, if anything, you're very much in love with your person, and it is causing a lot of problems. I feel like you're feeling really, really insecure about the situation at hand. For your person, the way your person feels is they're communicating with you. They're letting you know everything's going to be okay. They feel like, you know, it is a threat to the relationship as well. They're in love with you as well. I can feel it. It feels here that you know, like you feel like the change in dynamic, they feel like the change in dynamic in this relationship, where they were wanting to move forward to the next level with you, but it's kind of like the situation that's outside of yourselves is forcing you guys into the next level. There is, I do feel an abundance of love here for you. We've got the Six of Cups for you, where I feel like your person is saying, you know what, we're connected, we're deeply connected, and we are going to be okay. You know, I feel like your person is coming up with solutions to address the situation, and I feel like you're really, really overwhelmed by every solution that they're coming up with, because nothing feels right for you. Nothing feels right, and what you want it to do is go back to the way it was, but you can't. It won't go back to the way it was, Aries. So it looks like for this week there's a lot of communication. Do trust that your person is being honest with you when they say that they love you, they want to be with you, they want to build a life with you. They want to keep, you know, your connection is very, very strong. I feel like you guys are in sync with each other. You do love each other, but you know, that's the test of a relationship. Are these kinds of things, you know, everything is great in a relationship until the shit hits the fan, and then you're like, where do we stand? And for some people that relationship breaks apart or should break apart. For you guys, I don't know, I see love all over this. We got the Two of Cups for you on your side. We've got the Seven of Pentacles on your side. We've got the Ten of Cups in the reverse position on their side. We've got the Six of Cups in the upright position. So there's love all over this. It's just that it's disrupted because of this situation where you're having to, or they're having to make a decision about, or maybe both of you, right? And maybe you're both going in the opposite ends, having to follow career and money because survival comes first, right? But if the love is real, if the love is strong, if the foundation is there, you guys can get through this. You definitely can get through this. I feel that. So that's where I want to leave it for you, Aries, and I will see you soon. Bye.